my name's Max and I'm a second year designer. This video shows my past 1.5 months worth of work. Right, so let me give you a tour of my workshop area. So on the left here we've got the pallet wood workbench, all my general tools over here. Just behind that we've got some surfboard making supplies, so some epoxy resin, some fiberglass, some carbon fibre, and then just down here on the right we've got the plastic making materials. So all of my reclaimed plastic I'm melting down on the toasty maker there. Over lockdown I've been trying to stay active and have taken up surfing. Second-hand surfboards are way too expensive, so I decided to have a go and try and make my own. The process of making a board got me interested in what the impact of a surfboard was. I investigated the supply chain of a JS branded board made in Thailand. Although I looked into all the materials, including the resin, EPS core and carbon fibre, I didn't fully investigate the impacts on people and the environment. Using loose associations, I explored topics that I was interested in, linked to a book I found. A theme that emerged from all my links was experimentation and technological innovation. This ties in with my love for 3D printing. Although 3D printing is relatively low waste, the unusable bits do pile up over time. These bits from supports, failed prints and filament roll ends go mostly unused. I contacted Brighton 3D, the 3D printing company, and they gave me their waste for free. Here are some of the waste plastic and filament roll ends that I collected. With this plastic, I started to experiment with how I could turn it into a sheet. With that sheet, I then experimented with different processes. I tried various different methods of moulding, melting, bending and cutting. Whilst experimenting, I noticed that the PLA is quite flexible in sheet form. This flexibility is desirable in surf fins to improve grip whilst on a wave. I cut the sheet into fin shapes and fiberglass them onto my board. I would like to experiment more with different shapes and thicknesses, as well as adding other types of plastic in the future.